Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Are You Ready? Today we're out here plinking with my dad's new AR. Let's shoot some pop packs and a water bottle. Shoot it again?
Yeah. Oh, that was a good
nice
one.
Shot. So
all right, get the water bottle. Did you get it?
Yep.
Yeah,
Oh, my
Smoked it.
4 shots.
Oh, you don't earn a dollar, don't you?
Nope.
4 shots.
4 shots. Nice shooting, dude.
Way to go, boys.
We're gonna be doing a round of tic-tac-toe. I got the AR, he's got the 9mm.
Start it off.
First, I gotta hit something.
What'd you aim for?
Did I hit anything?
I can't tell.
I can't either.
Oh, I see it. It's not on a square.
Oh, yeah. Well, see, there's 2 there.
Oh, there is. So that's where your first one
First
went.
one went. I thought I was aiming over here.
So
I don't
we
have
got
the
two
advantage of
different
a.
shots.
I don't have advantage of a laser
Cheating?
sight, but-
Right.
All right, my turn. You're outside.
All right, here goes Grandpa.
And then finals. Yep.
Low.
Low.
Under the target.
Does he get another shot?
Low again.
Yeah.
My
aiming
turn
up.
again?
Doesn't count. Your turn
count,
again.
your turn.
Okay.
Grandpa got the bottom.
That time I hit it. I think.
Safety. Let's see, did you get it?
Yep.
Here
You
you
did.
go,
You
Mike.
got
Mike your X.
Okay.
So Grandpa needs to get over
I
there.
gotta go over there.
He
I'm
needs
done.
to block you. Otherwise, you got it in the bag.
Unless I miss. Whoa.
Low center, you see it? Right off of the first line in,
Oh, yep.
the bottom of it.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
My turn.
Hold on, he gets one more because you got the laser sight.
Oh, okay.
Same spot, just a little off to the left.
All right.
God, I think I'm aiming high, but
It's real
I'm
low.
going low. I must be holding it.
Are you going to
Oh,
mark
yeah,
that
right
as
there.
corner?
Nope,
Those 2.
he's low. You got a chance to win it.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Got it.
Did you?
Yeah.
Let's go see.
Got it.
Yeah,
Quick,
you did.
Sharpie.
Got it just inside.
Got to win.
There you go, Soy.
Good game, gentlemen.
Alright.
You're gone.
We're going to shoot a pop pack with my 44 deer gun.
Okay, turn your safety off. Hold her nice and tight. Got it. You hit it. You hit it. You little shizer.
My finger hit something when I was shooting.
You're a pretty good little shot.
Yeah, it is.
Nice shot, dude.
Let's try and move to the table with this thing.
Dude, I feel sorry for whitetails this year.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to hit the other one now. It's ready, I just need safety.
Yep.
Whoa!
Dude.
A hole right through
That
it,
was the
baby.
best one yet.
Yeah, it
Perfect.
was.
Awesome shot.
Thanks.
Dude, you're dead-eye.
So what, are we not gonna do?
So definitely the bigger the caliber, obviously, those
Yeah,
things
the more
explode.
those things blow.
Yeah,
Because, dude,
there's the pop packet, I think.
no.
No,
it
the
blew
one
to
you-
smithereens.
The one you shot's all over the place.
Pistol versus milk jug with water.
Oh,
One more.
finish him off. Oh, no, okay, stop. Don't hit the GoPro. Oh, my gosh. GoPro, GoPro, GoPro.
You said finish him off.
Quick Draw McGraw, 9mm.
See what you got. And now, for the grand finale, we have 6 water bottles up, 1 Gatorade, and 3 pop packs.
Say it.
And we're gonna shoot them with the AR. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you had as much fun watching us destroy some pop packets as we did actually destroying them. My favorite gun was the AR because of how fast it could shoot and how it was just consistent once we got it sighted in. And the 9mm was really cool too if you can hit on. It's a great gun to use.
What about that 44, dude? That was a best
That was
explosion,
good too. That
wasn't
was, yes, it was the best explosion. That 44 Magnum wins the award of best explosion for sure.
it? Right on.
No questions.
Good shooting.
Thanks.
Good shooting. You're
Make
ready.
sure you guys like and subscribe.
You're ready for deer season, man. Youth
Yeah, I
season's
am.
coming up, baby.
We're gonna get a 10 point.
You're right on. Nice shooting.